Hey my future doctors, welcome back to Usman's MCAT. Today let's discuss macromolecules of MDCAT PYQs. Question number 1 is alpha amino acids are compounds having carboxylic acid as well as amino functional groups attached to. The right option is D, same carbon atom. Question number 2. The efficiency of an enzyme in catalyzing a reaction is due to its capacity. The right option is A, to lower the activation energy of the reaction. Question number 3. Vitamin A, D, E and K belong to. The right option is B, fat-soluble vitamins. Question number 4. Which of the following is an electrolytic solution upon dissolution in water? The right option is E, calcium oxide. Question number 5. A dipolar charged but overall electrically neutral ion is called. The right option is C, zwitterine. Question number 6. Pellagra is caused by deficiency of which of the following vitamins? The right option is E, niacin. Question number 7. The calories produced per gram of fat are? The right option is C, 9 calories. Question number 8. Compound used as vitamin and is derived from pyridine is? The right option is A, nicotinic acid. Question number 10. Alanine, lysine and tryptophan are? The right option is D, amino acids. Question number 11. Fat-soluble vitamins are? The right option is A, D, E and K. Question number 12. Fat-soluble vitamins are mainly stored in? The right option is A, liver. Question number 14. Which one of the following is not essential for photosynthesis? The right option is C, sugar. Question number 15. The fat-soluble vitamins are? The right option is A, vitamin A. Question number 16. A group of water-soluble vitamins obtained from liver and yeast called? The right option is B, vitamin B complex. Question number 17. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar because? You tell me this question in the comments below by the way, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.